this is Alicia with Falcone Family Farm, and I have a noise I need you to listen to. So I would say about once a month we get this really weird noise at dusk. It's this screechy noise, and we haven't been able to figure out what it is. I did do some research. I might have figured out what it is, but I wanted to see what you guys thought about it. So here's the noise. So pretty weird, especially when it's dark and you're out there and there's something not too far away from you making that crazy noise. But with where we live, we have, you know, bears, mountain lions. Those are kind of the big ones. This sounds like a big animal. My suspicion has been that it's been a mountain lion. Right now it's winter. I haven't heard of too many bears being around. But our suspicion has been that it's a mountain lion. So I looked into it again and found these couple of noises. A lot of times when I looked up mountain lions, there was more of a squeaky noise that they would do, but I did find a video that also sounds much like the noise that we have around here. So I'll show you guys the squeaky noise, and then I'll follow it up with, it was labeled as cougar scream, and it sounds very much like what we've got. So here's these clips. So yeah, listening to the clips, it sounds very likely that we've got a cougar, and it just makes it that much more ominous, because when I took this clip, it sounded like it was right up where we were going to be building our house, and it was right at bedtime. I had just put the dog back in, and you can hear that. Because there's been times where my husband and the dogs, they tried to go and follow it around and see what it is. And it just gets further and further, so it's like that noise. You can't actually go and see what it is until you get close. But so I think it's just a mountain lion. It would make sense. We have had mountain lions actually on our property at night before we kind of Alcatrazed out our goat pen. We did lose a goat to a mountain lion, unfortunately, but we caught it right after that and was able to protect the goats, cover their area, and keep them safe. So we're 3 months in now for these guys being pregnant, and I've got some guesses now on who's gonna have what. She barely even looks pregnant, so she's gonna at best have one. Roca, she's really big like last year. So I suspect she had 4 last year. I suspect she's going to have at least that again this year. She came from a litter of 6 babies, so I don't know if we're expecting that anytime in the near future. And then Kiddo gave us 3 last year. She's looking pretty big this year again, so she might have 3 again. Hey you! Leave the cart alone. You already stole Parker's apple. Where you going, little kiddo? What? You scratching in my foot? I don't have treats for you guys. I know sometimes I do. Yeah. You're so demanding. You itchy with all that stretching fur and skin. Oh, yeah, our walks are taking longer and longer because of this gal. She can't quite go too quick on them anymore. These guys, they handle it just fine. Especially you. I'm hoping you are pregnant. I haven't seen this one go into heat again. Stay down. But we sold our buck after we bred everybody, so I haven't been able to really truly see if she goes back into heat. Come eat, guys. I know there's not much. What are you doing? That's gonna give you a cold bum. You're gonna have a cold bum. But anyway, trying to keep these girls active still. Since I think maybe once we're a month out, I'll have to stop taking Roka on these walks. And these guys should be fine. I'll have to take you like I did last year, just go across the street for a mild walk, but keeping moving is good. You coming back with a piece of snow? Yeah? What are you gonna do with that piece of snow? You silly. You itch. That's a very funny position you're in. Look at your big barrel gut.